soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing good and fine. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can set up Probot on your Discord server. So first you have to open our Discord app and you have seen like me e6 bot is there and this bot is there. So last video we have invited me e6 bot to a server. So we're gonna go for another bot called Probot. So open your web browser and we're gonna type probot.io. So hit enter and make a professional Discord bot. Best welcomer. So what it has? Oh, okay. Design welcome image. So like. In Probot you can also use me e6 bot or Probot for welcoming. Okay, it's your choice guys, but I prefer me e6 because me e6 will be very good. As soon as a user joins, quickly in a second it will come. I'm not very sure about Probot of welcoming because I never used Probot welcome. I just used like Probot moderation services. So let's add to Discord server. I'm gonna add a server, the server called test server for video, and click continue. Yes, I'm just now also I'm just gonna I'm not gonna check click members and ban members because this bot is kinda what to say, this bot is kinda high level moderation service, so that's why. So let me just unclick it, okay, uncheck it, I mean, okay guys, and I'm gonna authorize. Yeah, I'm a human. It's loading guys. So it's asking for verification. Please click image containing a lemon. This containing a lemon, this is containing a lemon and no other. Okay, let me see. A notification came and Probot is officially in our server. So let me just add roles same as e6 to bot, and now I'm gonna open my web browser again. Okay, so in this we have like moderation, AutoMod, welcome and goodbye, leveling system and logs. So today we are just gonna concentrate on Probot about logs and moderation, okay, and AutoMod. Okay guys, so these are the things we are gonna, these three things we are gonna concentrate. Okay, so let's put moderation, AutoMod and logs. So let us go to Discord app, and in my server do I have logs? Yes, I have logs. So let me just go to web browser again. So now we're gonna start with logs. Okay guys, so let's open logs. So bad member timeout /given /remote. Like what it does is like the each and every small moves it will just note it and just send it in logs text channel. So this is gonna be operated and moderated by Probot. Okay, so that is for secondary moderation only. We have to choose me e6. For first moderation tool I prefer Probot. So this is the best bot ever you can have. So I'm not gonna speak now, I'm just gonna do all the things. Okay, okay, you have to just select logs, that's it, if you have a log text channel. So I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna put it in time lapse. Okay guys, okay. So guys, we have done all the permissions. I hope you have seen it in time lapse. So this is how you can put the channel like every each and every moment it will just record and put it in logs. So for that, how to create like the channels, I have the full series. This is gonna be part 7, I think, or part 8 maybe. So go see all the series, I mean all the videos how to do. I have a playlist also. I'll give the playlist link down below. So I'm gonna save changes. Okay guys, I'm gonna save changes. So I have done the logs. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go like for AutoMod guys. So AutoMod is like it's kind of me 6, but it's in another part also. Okay, another thing also guys. So yeah guys, so we are gonna check all the things. Okay guys, all the boxes, because we need all of them, because we need a tight server with full restrictions. Okay, just this gonna be this, but in my server people should not use bad words, people should not spam, people should not use links, people should not advertise their servers in my server, and I'm not permitting them to do all these things. So I'm using these bots for moderation guys. So for a spam, 5 messages 5 seconds, yes. Bad words, yes. Duplicate text, yes. Discord invite, yes. Links, yes. Spam, caps. So already we have given EE6, but here also we are giving, because this is gonna be the primary auto moderator board. Okay, so spam caps, yes. Emoji spam, yes. Mass mentions, yes. Okay, so we have enabled it. Okay, so let us go to moderation. So it is already enabled. If you want, if there is any option is not enabled, you can enable, because here is like it can use by only mods, and it can use by admins and president. It can't use by any server members. If anyone uses the bots for server members, we need to set a rule like they'll be banned like that. Okay, so moderation is just like slash the application commands. So this is the tutorial how you can invite Probot on your Discord server. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you, for those who don't know how to invite Probot and how to set up it. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading